Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a CV if you have no work experience or how to write a resume if you're a student with no work experience. The first thing you want to do is go onto resumegenius.com. I will be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. Once on resumegenius.com, you're going to simply tap on Build My Resume Now. And this is a platform that lays out the steps step by step that allows you to create a professional looking resume or CV that is sure to put you in front of the right persons and hopefully get you that job. So you're going to tap on Build My Resume Now. After you have selected Build My Resume Now, you will be redirected to this page and we're going to tap on Build a New Resume. Then from here, we're going to tap on No Experience. And after doing that, you can select either high school, college, or university, or other. So we're going to be selecting high school. Then did you graduate high school? You can select either yes, still enrolled, or no. If we were to select no, we would be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll be able to select a template of your liking. So let's say for example's sake, we were to select this template. You could tap on select template. Then from here, you could add your photo. So you can tap on add photo and then you will be able to add your photo from your device. So let's say this photo just for example's sake. After adding the photo, you'll fill in your first name. And you can also scroll down. You could put in your desired job title if you want. And you can choose the country. And then you can also choose a city. And you can also choose a state right here. After doing that, you'll add in your email address. Once you have added in your email address, you could also choose to add in your date of birth by tapping on date of birth, LinkedIn link, Twitter link, or nationality. So you can select any one of these additional options. Then you will tap on save and continue. After selecting save and continue, you will be prompted to create a free account. You can create a free account using Facebook, the same email address that you had entered on your resume, or you could sign in using Google. So let's say we were to sign in with Google. After you have signed in, you can see right here, would you like to add a work experience section? And we're going to tap on no. After doing that, you can enter in your level of education, meaning the school that you have attended, school location, and the degree or program that you had received. And you can also choose when you graduated, the month you graduated, and the year. And if you'd like to add any additional educational details, you can do that. Once you're finished, you'll tap on continue. From here, you can also put in any certificates or license that you have. Then you can tap on continue. After doing that, you can see we found recommended skills. If you would like to add them, you can say yes, add them for me. And you can see that it automatically fills in some skills for you. And if you would like to further search, you could tap on search by job title. Let's say I'm searching by job title to be a landscaper. So I could type in landscaping and you can see right there, landscaper. After you have done that, you can see some recommended skills. So for example, using hand tools, landscape equipment operation, strong work ethic, flexible and adaptable. And you can scroll down and you can see different options right there. Once you have added the different skills, you can scroll down and tap on continue. After selecting continue, we generated a personalized professional summary for you. If you would like to add it, you can say yes, add it for me. And you can see it right there. Hardworking, highly motivated professional, eager to learn, combine knowledge and skills to enhance business performance. You can scroll down and you can read other options. If you would prefer one of these options, you can simply delete this and add one of these other examples. And again, you can search by job title by tapping on the search bar. You could type in the type of job that you're applying for, and then you'll see better examples. Once you're finished, you'll tap on continue. Would you like to include any references? So if you have references or persons that you have worked with in the past or any teachers that can recommend you, you can tap on yes, and from there you could add them. But we are going to tap on upon request. Want to add to any additional sections? So you can add any additional section you see right here. Then you'll tap on continue. Now that it is complete, we'll tap on complete final step right here. After doing that, you can simply close the box and you can see how it looks. So you can select any one of these three options. Once you're finished, you'll tap on download in the top right hand corner. Then you'll choose the format, which more than likely will be PDF, which is recommended, and you're going to tap on download. After you have tapped on download, from here they charge a small fee. As you can see, the fee would be $2.95. So once you have paid that fee, you'll be able to tap on continue, and from there you can download it. And that's basically it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.